Computer room air conditioning, CRAC, is vital for maintaining optimal conditions in data centers. Ensuring precise temperature and humidity control. Its high precision and reliability distinguish it from ordinary air conditioning. Using a compressor, CRAC systems circulate refrigerant to absorb and dissipate heat, achieving efficient cooling. Key features include large sensible heat, minimal latent heat, high air volume, uninterrupted operation, and adherence to stringent cleanliness standards. Unlike ordinary air conditioning, CRAC systems cater to the unique demands of computer rooms, preventing equipment overheating and ensuring data integrity.